So according to the well-known tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is not as wide as the patent pictures that we've seen going around Twitter in the past week, but yet it's still relatively wide, and the screen R angle is closer to the right angle. Its middle frame, flat bottom, and gradient are exactly the same as the design concept of S24 Ultra. In the post, Ice Universe compares this to the screen design and middle frame of the rectangular Nubia Z60 Ultra, which in my opinion is the most suitable design for a folding phone. So it looked more like the images that showcase experimental mock-ups of the phone that showed up before the launch of the Z Fold 5 in the past year. A wider cover display would translate to a wider overall design, which would likely see the cover screen expand. Yes, Samsung has made improvements to the cover screen, but they're still too narrow to be used easily, especially if you have larger hands. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 just got a step closer to release. Both phones have appeared in the Bureau of India Standards database, with the listing confirming that both phones will be powered by dual batteries. Rumors suggest that both phones will have larger battery capacity than last year, with an additional 300 mAh supposedly coming to the Z Flip 6. However, these regulatory listings don't provide specific details, only the serial numbers are disclosed. As for the release date, two generations of the foldable were announced in August, but the most recent, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, was unveiled in late July. So it's hard to say whether the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be announced in July or August of 2024. If you want to know what Samsung is giving us with its mid-range king, the Galaxy A55, you can watch this video after. And please, take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.